Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my review on Oziva's Matcha Plus. So I've been using this for a while now. So I would be taking you through how to consume this, what it is all about, if you need this, and how it will be helpful. And also I will be sharing pictures of my experience of the difference that I saw. So yeah, if you would be interested, please keep on watching. So first of all, let me talk about this product and what it claims to do. It claims to be helpful for any pigmentation on your skin and for dark circles. Now I don't really have a lot of pigmentation on my skin, but yes, I do have acne and I do have acne scars, and I have very few places that are a little pigmented than the rest. And about dark circles, I did not have a lot of dark circles, or my dark circles weren't that prominent, but recently, with weird sleep cycles that I had, it was getting prominent, and I started to notice that. And then I did fix my sleep schedule. I did try to get a good rest, good beauty sleep, but again, it would help you, but then it takes a long time, and I wanted to accelerate that process. As I told you, for your skin, apart from the products that you apply on your skin, or apart from the topical application, there has to be something that has to be going inside, so that your skin actually glows and becomes healthy. And as I told you, you either need to have a diet which is really good for your skin and helps with the situation, which I'm not really good with. Actually, I cannot really stick to a lot of diets, and it's not really possible for us, like if we are working, if we have studies, or if you are college going, if you have a job, or if you have enrolled yourself in a lot of activities or whatsoever, it's not possible for you to maintain to a particular diet and find exactly those ingredients and have them. It's a lot, it's a task. And if you have seen my previous video about my acne journey, you would be able to see in that I had mentioned that I usually like to take a detox drink once or twice a week, and that is how I like to go about it, because I don't want a lot of fuss. This is how the product looks like. They have mentioned all their ingredients here. Now this is 100% organic. That's the reason I didn't fret using this, and that's why I was open to using this. And also it has all of its benefits and how to use it. So let me read that out for you. All you need to do is you need to take 1 scoop of Matcha Plus, and you need to add 150 ml of hot water and stir well and enjoy. So just take 1 scoop of it, put it in a glass of warm water, and just have it. So it's that simple. Now this is especially designed for getting a healthy skin, so that is what it focuses on. So if that is what is your concern, like if you've been dealing with dark circles, which most of us are already, and if you're not, you're blessed, but if you are, then you should give it a try. And now basically let me tell you how it will work and what it contains and what it doesn't. So the ingredients in here are organic matcha powder, pomegranate powder, licorice powder, and ginger root powder, and it also has activated charcoal. So these are the ingredients in here. And now let me tell you what this is about. So basically what matcha does is it improves your skin tone and it reduces the pigments. So if you're somebody who's facing hyperpigmentation on your face or on your skin, you should try including matcha in your daily routine or in your diet. Also has an ingredient called licorice, which brightens your spots and brightens your skin tone. As I mentioned in the ingredients, it also has activated charcoal. Now activated charcoal is something that is genius. It prevents acne, and I do suffer from acne, and if you are somebody who suffers from that too, then give this a try, and I'm sure you will find some difference in your skin within a week or two. Again, ginger is a great product. It fades your scars and it just rejuvenates your skin. So the combination of products is such here that it is meant to repair your skin and get you that really naturally beautiful, glowy and healthy skin. I'm sure most of us are suffering from dark circles, and most of us have also tried so many different things to, you know, just get rid of those dark circles. Like I know I have used, you know, under eye creams and all, and trust me, they haven't worked a bit for me. I used it religiously for about 1 to 2 months and they did not work for me. So more than the, you know, topical application, I do think that what's going inside is also very important. So if, you know, there's a product that is actually something that you can consume and that's how it's going to heal, then I know that I can trust it better, that it will, because see, the ingredients are also such that they will not harm you in any way, it will not have any side effects because it's organic, and also that, you know, it has all of those good ingredients that together would work like magic, right? And that's why I started consuming it. And I will be sharing my picture, what difference I saw in my skin, so that you will be able to, you know, see and trust for yourself as well. So apart from just helping your skin, it also helps your body. So it's, you know that it's really good because it all helps to, you know, boost your metabolism. Now that is really great. If it is helping me boost my metabolism and helping me with my weight loss, that's a win-win situation because both of the things are working simultaneously. I don't have to consume something else for that. And also it, you know, helps to increase your stamina and focus. So I think that's pretty great. So as you saw the pictures and as you saw the difference, it has really, you know, helped me. Now it will take some time for you to see a difference. ऐसा नहीं है that you will, you know, have it one day and the next very day you'll be able to see a difference, because this is something that you're consuming. So it will definitely take time to show than other creams or anything that you put on your face. This will take time, but then this will make sure that it is, you know, healed completely or your skin recovers completely. So yeah, that is all for my review. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below, and I would be leaving the link for this product in the description box, so go check it out, and I'll see you the next time.